Hello all. Today we'll see how to compare null values in SQL. So for that, let's open an SQL window and declare some variables and see how null values comparison is shown in SQL. So for that, let's declare some variables. Declare a integer and let's assign this value as null. And same way, let's declare variable b integer and let's assign it as null. Now let's run a select command and see how it's behaving. Select case when a is equal to b, then return 1. When a is not equal to b, then return -1, else 0, and as test. So our general assumption is both a and b are assigned values null. So we think that the query returns 1 because both are null and both should be equal. But that's not the case in SQL. So let's see what happens here. So if we see here, the result returned is 0. So here equal to operator is not applicable for null values, and similarly not equal to operator are also not applicable on null values. So that's why whenever a comparison between null happens, it will never satisfy the equal to operator as well as not equal to operator. And to fix this, we need to use the is null scenario. Case when is null of the rate is equal to is null of the rate b, then one when let's copy the same thing and instead of equal to let's keep not equal to, then return -1, else 0, and as test. And for time being, let's comment out this. And when we run this, now you see a SQL comparison happening, and now it returns 1 because is null operator is trying to convert the null into empty spaces for both the scenarios. So blank is equal to blank, so it returned 1. And now let's see one more example um, where let's declare another variable. Declare at the rate c int is equal to 10, and and introduce one more when statement in the case not equal to c, then -2, and when is equal to c, then 2. So here also the equal to and not equal to operator will not work because a value is still null. Sorry, we have to declare the variables as well. So if you see, it still returns 0 because a is not equal to c, and a is neither equal to c or not equal to c. Both equal to operator and not equal to operator are not variable, are not used for nulls. So always keep in mind whenever you try to do string comparisons which are nulls or any data type comparisons, always try to use is null condition because nulls will be ignored in such case. Thank you.